Now you see
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
all the students. Can you see the textbook?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Who wants to start the reading first?
Sir, Dolia.
Yes, Ahad, you can.
Sir, can I read Arman?
Ahad, do you want to read?
Can I read Arman, sir?
Yes, Arman, start.
Sir, my network problem yes, sir. Unused.
No problem, Ahad. No problem, Ahad. Now wait for your turn. Arman, start.
Yes, sir. Unusual Indian sports.
And Ahad, mute your mic. Unusual Indian sports.
Yes.
Now, what do you mean by unusual? Can anyone tell me the meaning of unusual? No one? Ragib is not there today? If people are not interested in answering you, are interested in explaining you, do the chapter on your own, okay?
No, sir. Sir means
No,
unique.
sir. Sir, I am currently merchant. OP gamer merchant.
Okay, fine. Yes, what is the meaning of unusual?
Sir, Rasan can tell.
Unusual means, yes,
Sir, unique.
yes. Unusual means the thing which is different from others, the thing which is not usually seen. Okay, so here it is written unusual Indian sports, unique Indian sports, the sports which are invented from our country, India. Did you understand? Yes or no, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Now, will you understand the meaning of unusual Indian sports? If anyone asks
Yes,
you,
sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood.
okay, this way I want the answer every time. Huh? Just make sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue, Arman. You are reading.
Yes, sir. Read this passage about three unusual Indian sports. When we think of sports, we usually take the names of cricket, football, hockey, tennis, or badminton. They are sports that most Indians know about and love to watch and play.
Okay. Now, students, read this passage about three unusual Indian sports. So, basically, in this lesson, you will learn three unique Indian sports. The sports, the three such sports which are invented in India and which are uniquely known as the Indian sports. We should be proud that our Indians have invented few many sports. Those are unique from the sports which are invented internationally. Let's see what is written here. When we think of sports, we usually take the names of cricket, football, hockey, tennis, and badminton. They are the sports that the most Indians know about and love to watch and play. So these are the sports you all have heard, yes or no? Football, cricket.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is cricket? Bat and ball. What is football? Ball is there, we have to play with the foot. So these things we have heard. But here we are not going to learn about these sports. These are the common sports known. Here we are going to learn the unique sports which were invented in India. Farhan Ali, can you read from here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Another,
sharing the time WhatsApp.
Hold on. Let Farhan Ali read from here, 3 to 4 lines.
another hockey is national sports of cricket and cricket. The most popular India is home of many schools, games and sports that test.
Farhan Ali, your voice is breaking a lot.
Now it is clear.
No.
Um,
Till
I did.
then, Seth. Till then, Seth, can you read?
Yes, sir. Now my voice is clear.
Seth is reading.
Although hockey is our national sport, cricket, the most popular India, home to many unique games and sports. They tell
Your voice is also breaking, Seth.
sir. Now my voice is clear.
No.
Sir, I am Reed Paryani Shafiq.
A person and
Do one thing. All of you speak together. I'm leaving the group. You speak together. Huh? You don't understand what is manners?
Sir, now my voice is clear.
Shut your mic. Seth, continue from the first line.
hockey is our national sport and cricket, the most popular in India.
Hold on. Let me change the network. The problem will be in my network. No, it is full. Can you see the Wi-Fi connection up there in my mobile? It is full.
Yes.
Then why
Yes,
is it?
sir.
Then there might be the problem on your side. Mm, what could have happened? Shafiq,
Yes, sir.
read it from here.
All thought hockey,
What all thought?
all thought,
Although.
although hockey in our national sport and cricket the most popular India in is home
Can you
the
see the comma here?
yes most
Comma
popular
means what?
stop India is home the many uncu games and
Unique.
unique games and sport that test a person's staged
What do you mean by unique? Have you heard this word? Unique?
one of the kind unique means
What do you mean by one of the kind? You cannot just see and answer me. You will have to explain me what do you mean by unique?
that I don't know.
No problem. Continue reading.
games and sport that test a person's what sir
हाँ बेटा,
person
person's person's strength,
strength, great agility and team
agility,
agility and team what sir
spirit.
spirit when have sir a sport na- native to Uttar Pradesh and Ut-
Okay, Shafiq, thank you. See, this way, if you will read students, you will not be able to understand the lesson. You will not be able to understand anything. And if in fifth standard you people read like this, it is not good at all. You need a lot of practice, which you will not do, then you will not improve your reading. Although hockey is our national sport and cricket the most popular, India is home to many unique games and the sports that test a person's strength, grit, and agility and the team spirit. We have surf, a sport native to Uttar Pradesh, and Atya Patya, a run and block sport from Maharashtra. Then there is Dhoop Khel, a ball game from Assam, Silambam from Tamil Nadu, which can be described as Indian style fencing using wooden staffs. Thoda, a martial art form from Himachal Pradesh, which requires the skill of archery, and Asol Up, a canoe race from the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The variety that these games and sports offer is wide and impressive. Now, students, here few names of the Indian sports are given. You know, different games are there of the different states in India. So the name of the place with the name of the sport is given here. It is written that cricket, hockey, and these are the international sports. But few sports which are not very famous, but which are only famous in India are, now who will read again from here?
Sir,
Sir, can I
Hasan.
be the Sir, can I?
Yes, Ayaz.
Yes, sir. We have, sir, a sport native to Uttar Pradesh and Atyapatya, a run and block sport from Maharashtra. Then there is Dhopkel, a ball game from Assam. Silamban from Tamil Nadu, which can be described as Indian style fencing using wooden staff, wooden staffs. Thoda, a martial art from Himachal Pradesh, which requires the skill of archery and assault app. Sir, what is that?
This one?
No, sir.
This one
Uh,
is what you read. Is
After
correct.
assault. Yes, sir. Assault app, a canoe race from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The variety that these games and sports offer is wide and impressive.
Okay, so these are the names which you will have to remember because in the question answers, these or in the objective form, these can be asked. Okay, so there is nothing to be explained in this paragraph as the name of the games and the name of the states are given. Yes, what I can do for you to help you is I can show you in the projector different games and their pictures. So, for an example, this Astrol app, a canoe race, means this is a boat race game. Have you seen the boat race?
Yes, sir, we have seen.
Yes, sir.
In many movies, also it is shown, correct?
Yes,
So,
sir. I have seen in movies only, not in real life.
I know, beta, I don't want to describe a lot, otherwise, I would have given the name of the movie too. Anyways, so I will show you each and every picture whenever I get the projector. Projector is there with me. Internet connection is not there with the projector connected. So I will show you each and everything. So it will be easier for you to understand and to remember. Let us now read about the three most popular native Indian sports. First is kabaddi. This is not kabaddi. This is kabaddi. Seth, now can you read?
Yes, sir. But an ancient Indian that only is this right around 4,000 years ago.
Seth, you are sitting
It
in the underground room or what?
was I'm only in one.
I cannot even hear you any, not even a word. Oh God, let it be. Who else will read?
Yes, with the
Sir, Asan?
Yes,
Sir,
Hassan.
I read. Yes, sir. Kabaddi is an ancient Indian sports that
Ancient.
ancient Indian sports
Ancient. It is ancient.
ancient Indian sports that or sir, what is written? Sports that
Originated.
originated around 4,000 years ago. It is extremely popular in Indian as well as in what is written as well as in
Several.
several, several other countries. The word kabaddi is derived from the Tamil words kaipidi, mean to hold hands. Kabaddi is a contact sport, and aim the aim of the game is for the defenders to capture the rider.
Okay, hold on. Now, students, Kabaddi is the ancient Indian sports. How many of you have played Kabaddi?
Sir,
yes,
I
sir, with the
so
yes.
much Zed. Yes, sir, Hassan Kapasi. So much Zed.
Okay. So it was originated around 4,000 years ago. Just imagine. And you might have observed that Kabaddi is played in the mud. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So during the ancient time, during the earlier time, every sport they have invented is in the mud only because they were not having the specific ground for anything. Nowadays, for Kabaddi also, certain type of grounds are prepared. But during the earlier days, nothing such preparation happened for Kabaddi. It is extremely popular in India as well as in the several other countries. The word Kabaddi is derived from the Tamil word Kaipidi. Meaning of this word Kaipidi is to hold hands. And Kabaddi is a contact sport. Why is it said so? Because when you play the Kabaddi, you stop the raider to cross the line and make the goal. You stop them to cross the line again to go back in their path. So this is a contact sport. You need to hold the hand of the raider to make him out of the game. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The ground is like this. This is the main line. This is the goal line, or I don't know what line it is said. Here the one team stands, here the other team stands. Now, as soon as one of the raider comes here and cross this line, the members in this team, the members in this team holds this person here so that he cannot go back in his part and he stops speaking kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi and he becomes out of the game. This is what you might have seen, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many of you can speak kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi non-stop? Hello, I'm talking to you people.
Sir,
No, sir,
No, sir.
I can't with the yak.
No,
Sir,
sir,
I
I am
also
also.
can't.
I Okay, Ayaz, let's try. Ayaz, just speak kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi non-stop.
Sir, can I speak audible?
Wait, let Ayaz try to speak. He said I can't.
Sir, I can't also, sir.
Ayaz, are you there?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
No, my voice is not breaking. Don't make excuses, otherwise I'll remove you from the group. Otherwise I'll remove you from the group.
What,
Don't make
sir?
excuses. Okay, ma'am, please remove him. He cannot hear me. And count him A for absent in the sheet. Okay, absent mark is put. Anyone else cannot hear me? Then we can count you absent.
Sir, I am. Sir, Paryani Shafiq is count.
Okay, we will count you also absent. Right, Shafiq?
Yes.
Absent, you are absent.
No, sir.
If you don't understand what am I speaking, why are you speaking in between? Okay, Hassan, just try to speak Kabaddi non-stop.
Yes, sir. Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
That's it.
But sir, in kabaddi we speak we fast. No, we speak fast. Kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi,
No, it is
kabaddi.
not.
That.
It is not necessary. You can keep one tone. You don't have to just change the tone. So what I used to do, I used to say Kabaddi in a low tone.
Yes,
Hello,
sir, now
are you
I can
there?
hear you because I have connected the Wi-Fi network.
Yes, sir.
So Hassan, this is the trick I used to use. I used to say Kabaddi, Kabaddi, this tone. It is very easy for us to run. Okay, who
Yes.
else wants to try speaking Kabaddi?
Sir, audible?
Yes, Ahad, you can.
Sir, Arman Gori.
Ahad,
Okay, sir. Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi,
Ahad,
kabaddi.
no, stop. You said this is not allowed in that game.
Sir,
So
can
see
I say Paryani
how.
Shafiq? Sir,
Let
can I
me
speak?
complete. Let me complete speaking, idiots. Let me complete speaking. Beta, who was that?
Shafiq,
Paryani.
No, two people were there. I'm
Arman,
Gori.
explaining.
Arman and Shafiq.
I'm trying to explain something. Don't play these idiotic pranks with me, please. I'm trying to explain you the rule. See, in Kabaddi, what I was trying to say, you broke my link. Seriously, man. Ahad, I think I was talking to you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what I was trying to say is, see, if you take the breath in between, no, that is not allowed in kabaddi. And most challenging task is you are running and you are speaking kabaddi. Obviously, your breath is going to be heavy for you, right? When you run and speak at the same time.
Yes, sir, very much.
I think Ahad has gone to sleep or he has gone
No,
to
sir.
eat some other
No.
thing. Okay, now
No,
second, I
sir.
think Shafiq was speaking. Shafiq, try.
Yes, sir. Kabaddi, 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 kabaddi,
No,
kabaddi.
Shafiq, done. Kabaddi, this way you did. Okay. You people are not able to speak sitting at home. You cannot even speak for 5 seconds in the ground if you come. You know your sir was
Sir,
kabaddi player. Again, I said when I'm speaking, I don't want any other people to speak. Otherwise, I will really scold you. Then don't start crying. Huh? Be in the manners.
you know,
Human beings. See again. I think dogs even don't do like this. Or I should say, donkeys even can behave themselves. We human beings can't. Shall I stop this explanation?
No, sir.
If I want,
no,
I can
sir.
finish this chapter within 3 minutes. Huh? Each sport I will explain you one minute. That's it. When I'm trying to make you enjoy, just behave yourself. Otherwise, I know how to tackle the problems.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it is a kind of see. I was a kabaddi player during my school. Many a times I even won the matches. So I know that, and even there, everything is very much. See, you cannot grow your nails in the hand. Nails should be cut properly. Everything, the rule is mentioned there before you enter to the ground. Okay, Hassan, continue.
Yes, sir. Although there are many versions of the game, all thought, all thought, all thought,
Although,
although there are many versions of the game. In the most in the most popular version, there are two teams of 7 players each. Each
okay,
team occupy.
just a minute, just a minute. So, students, here, how many players are there in each team?
7.
Seven on this side and seven on this side also. Continue.
Yes, sir. Each team occupies opposite halves of a field measuring 10, 10 into 13 meters
10 by
for
13.
man, 10 by 13 meters for man, and 8 by 12 meters for women.
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 So here
Each team.
the size of this field is given, how long it is. For men it is different, for women it is different. We have to remember the numbers.
Each team takes turn to send a rider into the opponent's court.
What?
court.
Opponents.
Opponent's court. To ear, to ear, to ear, to ear,
Hasan, what has happened to you today?
to ear, to
What are you speaking?
earn a point.
On.
To earn a point, the rider moves into the opponent's half, chatting kabaddi without
Chatting. Mute your mic.
chanting.
Thank
Sorry,
you.
sir.
Mute your
Chanting.
mic. Thank you. So each team takes the turn to send the raider into the opponent's court one by one. First, from this team, if one raider is going, then from the other team, one will go. So one by one, alternatively, they send their raider to score the point. And to earn a point, the raider moves into the opponent's half, chanting kabaddi, kabaddi without inhaling. Whose mic is on? Remove the nuisance from the group. So, as soon as the raider goes to the opposite team, he chants kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. This is called chanting when you speak something continuously. Without inhaling means what? Without breathing in. Like I said, you cannot breathe in. This way you cannot do. The raider must tag one or more members of the opponent team and then return to his or her home turf, means home ground. For example, this one number has gone here. He needs to touch someone and then come back to his home ground. Without touching, if he comes, he is out. Or if he cannot touch any member of this team, he needs to cross this line and come back to his ground. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who will read? Who will read from here?
Sir, can I read Sama Muhammad Zaid?
Yes, Zed.
Sir, can I
Continue.
try?
The defenders meanwhile try to. Sir, what is this? After
Wrestle.
to wrestle the rider to ground till she
He,
inhales again.
he
He or she inhales again.
means
If the
what?
rider
Now, the defenders meanwhile try to wrestle the rider. Means what? Like I said, this one number, if he is going here, these seven people will try to hold one number till one number again stops speaking kabaddi kabaddi. So it is all about the practice. The more practice you do, the better you become in the game. Yeah.
if the rider message to
What?
escape
Beta, at least try to understand what you are speaking. How message word can come here, beta, in the game? And message is MESSAGE. Read the spelling.
MANAGES manages
Manages.
manages to escape to the home turf. The tagged defenders are declared out.
Okay, okay, stop. So mute your mic. Now, students, here it is said that if this one number is going to the opposite team, and to whomsoever he will touch, and one number will come back, that people will become out to whom number one has touched here. Are you understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, if Ayaz, Hassan, Shafiq, Saif, you all are in this team.